G-O-A-T, goat. Goats are playful and curious animals with horns and beards. Say again, G-O-A-T, goat. Duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Ducks have webbed feet and enjoy swimming in ponds. They make quack sounds. Say again, D-U-C-K, duck. Turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y, turkey. Turkeys have distinctive feathers and a unique gobbling sound. Say again, T-U-R-K-E-Y, turkey. Donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Donkeys are hardworking animals with a braying, hee-haw sound. They are smaller than horses. Say again, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Rabbits are small, fluffy animals with long ears. They enjoy hopping around and nibbling on vegetables. Say again, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit.